Deep in the heart of Queensland's Mary Valley lies a railway line frozen in time, a living museum of Australia's golden age of steam. This is the Mary Valley Rattler, a heritage railway that not only offers breathtaking journeys through stunning landscapes but carries a treasure trove of little-known stories and hidden facts. First, let's rewind the clock. The Mary Valley Rattler was originally part of the Mary Valley Railway line, which began operations in 1914. It wasn't built for tourism, it was a lifeline for farmers, connecting their remote agricultural lands to the bustling markets of Gympie and beyond. Livestock, pineapples, timber, and dairy were transported on this line, forming the backbone of the region's economy. But did you know that the Mary Valley Rattler is more than just a nostalgic ride? It holds unique secrets from its past that most visitors have never heard of. For instance, the railway's track gauge, narrow gauge at just 1,067 millimeters, was chosen specifically to reduce costs while navigating the steep gradients and tight curves of the Mary Valley. This design makes the Rattler's route one of the most technically challenging and scenic railways in Australia. Another little-known fact is that the Mary Valley Rattler traverses an area rich in Indigenous history. The Gympie people, the traditional custodians of this land, have stories and connections that predate the railway by thousands of years. Along its route, you can find remnants of ancient campsites and tools, silently bearing witness to a deeper cultural heritage. And here's a surprising twist. The Mary Valley Rattler once carried secret cargo. During World War II, the line played a critical role in transporting military supplies and even troops to strategic locations. The dense forests of the valley offered natural cover, making it an ideal route for covert operations. Today, the Mary Valley Rattler is lovingly maintained by a dedicated team of volunteers. But did you know that some of the locomotives used today date back over 100 years? The C-17 class locomotive, affectionately nicknamed the Spirit of the Mary Valley, was built in 1920 and remains operational, a true testament to the craftsmanship of the era. The Heritage Railway is also a hub for community events. Every year, the Rattler hosts themed rides like the Tasting Train, featuring local gourmet produce and wines. But here's something quirky. Some passengers claim to have spotted ghostly figures at night, lingering near the old tracks. Could it be echoes of railway workers from the past, or is it just the imagination running wild in the moonlit valley? Closing shot. The train disappearing into the horizon as the sun sets over the Mary Valley. The Mary Valley Rattler isn't just a journey through picturesque landscapes. It's a ride through history, mystery, and enduring human ingenuity. So next time you visit Queensland, hop aboard this incredible steam train and uncover the secrets of the Mary Valley for yourself.